what's going on? I am here to do an unboxing, and this is going to be the MCM original Patricia wallet crossbody. I purchased this from Nordstrom Rack, and you have to be really fast to get these because they go like really fast. But I purchased from Nordstrom Rack, and it was on sale. So it came in the plastic, and then here's the little box. Uh-oh. Here is the little chain that it came with. Then it comes in the little dust bag, and then here is the little card. So here it is, and this is the black, because as y'all do remember, I do have the black MCM Liz reversible tote. So I needed a wallet, so I got this one. So here it is with the red interior. This is so cute. And they do sell the MCM Liz reversible tote with the black, with the red trimming or whatever, but I prefer just the all black. But anyway, here's the inside of it. Take the paper out. So you're going to have a slot right here. Then you'll have an opening here with was it 2, 4, 6 card slots right here. And then you're going to have your zipper compartment here, and then here's the little tag, and then you have another opening here with 6 more, 2, 4, 6 more card slots, and then you have a back part here. Now I like this wallet because it's actually a 2-in-1, so you can use it as just a wallet, or you can use it as the crossbody, because you know you have the things. Now this right here, this chain, it's, to me, it's too short. Even though I haven't opened it yet, I already know the lengths of it, and it's too short. So I went on Amazon and ordered me a longer strap. So I'm just waiting on that to get here if I decide to wear it as a crossbody. But I still want to go ahead and have the straps, you know, just in case. But anyway, this snaps down like that, and to open it, you just pop that up like that. And like I said, you will attach the chain to there. And here is my phone. I have the iPhone 11, and it does fit in there. It does fit, so I can put my phone in there. And it'd probably be a better fit too if I didn't have the case on there, but it still fits or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and it has the nice little red interior. Super duper cute. Now y'all, they do have this in the cognac color, but it's a hard color to get because like I said, these sell out real fast. And the other day they had the cognac one on there, so I was lucky enough to get it, so I thought. So yeah, I waited all this time. I was excited about it. Y'all tell me why when I received it, it was another black one. Now keep in mind, on the outside of the box it had cognac, the tag had cognac, and I opened it up, it was a black wallet. Talking about pissed. I was so mad. So I called them, and the lady was like, I'm so sorry. She was like, I'll look and see if there's any more available, which I knew there wasn't. And so she was like, there's no more available. I can just issue a refund. I'm like, damn it, fine. So anyway, y'all, I was upset about that. And when I did return it, I put a note on there. I'm like, this is not the cognac color. This is black. Y'all need to redo y'all tags and stuff or whatever, because this is like the wrong item. So yeah, I was a little bummed about that, because I do want the cognac color back, and I will get it before the end of the year. If somebody end up having a sale, I'll end up purchasing the cognac color, because that's a color I really wanted at first, but I ended up getting the black one because it was on sale. So anyway, yeah, so there's that. But I'm excited to be able to get this wallet. So that was a good deal. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all how much the wallet was. It retails for $3.95, But the Nordstrom Rack had it on sale for like $214.97. So it took off like I think it was like almost like $180 something. So I thought that was like a really good deal, because I see people on Poshmark and Mercari still selling these for like, some people have been selling them for over the price, the original price or whatever. So I don't know, to each his own. But anyway, I just want to show you guys this, and if you have any questions, like always, just let me know. Bye.